how to make paella step by step.
Aloha everyone, my name is Saiko and here we are in Hawaii. It's gorgeous, isn't it? This is the house of our friends Mike and Helen. Today we're going to do a paella video. My sister Midori and her husband John, and John recently retired and he wants to learn how to make seafood paella because his wife loves seafood paella and he's such a nice husband. He wants to make his wife happy.
First, heat up your pan, add oil, then the onions. We're going to start cooking the sofrito. Your onions need to be softened and caramelized. Then you add the red bell pepper, the garlic, and the tomatoes. That's called sofrito. And we're going to cook that really good. Then then you're going to start adding your chicken, salt and pepper. Cook the chicken to 75%, then push it aside with the rest of the guys in the pan and make room for the pork chops. Yes, people, I like it with pork chops. They're very tasty. Salt and pepper. Remove them to a different plate. Then cook the chorizo till it's nicely done, 5 to 7 minutes. Mix everything together and push them to the side because we're going to cook the shrimp. Salt and pepper. And our shrimp will be very, very quickly. We then remove them to a different plate because we will add them later. They will continue to cook later with the broth and the rice. Bring that chicken broth to a boil. Deglaze the bottom of the pan and find the fun with all those flavors. Scatter your rice. Do not mix it. Do not stir. Scatter it. Salt and pepper. It's arborio rice. Yummy. It's not sushi rice, remember. We're going to let that boil for about 7 minutes, no lid. Then you cover it for lower the temperature, another 10 minutes. Then we're going to start tucking in all the clams, the mussels, the pork chops, and cover it again another 8 minutes. Wow, it's starting to smell really nice. The cats and the dogs from the neighbors are kind of starting to come and visit. Then you add the shrimp, just scatter it really quickly, cover it, and it's done. The shrimp took 2 minutes. You garnish it with your green peas or whatever you like. It smells delicious. It looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the video and please make paella. It's not that difficult, especially if you prep your vegetables like in a food processor or something like that a day before. So
say hi to America and Mike and Helen. Where is Helen? Helen, yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, delicious, yeah.
And sous chef John, Uncle John. Yeah.
This one's open, so you tap it and it will shut down immediately.
Because he's alive.
It's alive. So then we're going to deburr them.
See that little thingy? That's the thingy that we need to yank out, but if you cut it with scissors, it's a lot easier. So, watch my finger.